Climb inside the 2013 BMW 328i. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include rain-sensing wipers, front and rear reading lights, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a leather steering wheel, an outside temperature display, turn signal indicator mirrors, and remote keyless entry. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.